Hi, I'm Neil Grunstein, a product designer specializing in enterprise and retail experiences. Today I'd like to walk you through Kroger Store Walk application, a tool designed to help store associates conduct operational audits, identify issues, and improve store execution. Let's dive in. I'll start with the Kroger dashboard, which serves as the entry point for associates and managers to quickly understand the store health and priorities. The goal of this screen was to eliminate the need to navigate multiple systems on Relay on manual checklists before starting a store walk. Here I designed the experience to surface the most important operational signals first, so users immediately see what needs attention, what is overdue, and what has recently been completed. The hierarchy is intentional. High priority issues are visually elevated while secondary information remains accessible but not distracting. This reduces cognitive load in the fast-paced store environment where associates are often multitasking. Functionally, this dashboard acts as a launch point. Users can start a new walk, continue an existing one, or review pending issues without friction. So this screen answers a simple question: what needs attention in the store right now? Next is the store walk experience, which is the core workflow of the application. This supports associates as they physically move through the store conducting operational audits and identifying issues in real time. The main challenge here was designing for mobility and focus. Associates are walking, observing, and acting, not sitting at a desk. To solve this, I simplified the workflow by reducing navigational depth and organizing tasks into a clear, structured progression. Instead of overwhelming users with everything at once, the experience guides them step by step while still maintaining awareness of overall progress. Progress visibly was critical. Users often know where they are in the walk, what is complete, and what still needs attention without breaking flow. I also prioritize surfacing high-impact tasks first, so critical issues are never buried under lower priority checks. From a system standpoint, this design ensures consistency across stores. Every associate follows the same structured progress, regardless of location or experience level. This reduces variability and improves operational reliability at scale. Ultimately, this screen transforms the store walk from a manual, inconsistent process into a guided workflow that supports both speed and accuracy, while users are actively in the store. Next, a detailed walk and follow-up workflow. One of the most important capabilities of the Store Walk application is the ability to drill into issues that were not completed during the store inspection. On this screen, we're reviewing a detailed walk for a specific department. The associate has identified a problem within the frozen door section. Rather than simply marking the area as complete, they provide detailed feedback when standards are not met. In this example, the associate selected the thumbs down option, indicating that the department failed inspection criteria. The negative rating immediately creates accountability by requiring additional information about what specifically needs attention. The application then presents a detailed checklist of corrective actions. Here we can see tasks such as cleaning the service case glass, cleaning the chrome surfaces, and updating signage. Each action item can be individually tracked, allowing store teams to understand exactly what needs to be fixed instead of receiving vague feedback. The urgent designation helps prioritize critical issues that could impact customer experience, store appearance, or operational standards. Managers can quickly identify which items require immediate attention and allocate resources accordingly. As corrective actions are completed, associates can update the status directly within the application, creating a closed-loop workflow from identification to resolution. This eliminates paper-based follow-up processes and provides visibility into outstanding issues across the store. This detailed drill-down experience transforms a simple store walk into an actionable operational tool, ensuring that issues are documented, assigned, tracked, and ultimately resolved, leading to greater consistency across all store locations. You will also notice the Actions Fab button, which store associates can take immediate corrective actions to resolve any issues that may occur during their store walk. Finally, the most vital screen is the Note Center, which was the MVP of our product. Previously, store walk issues were documented but rarely tracked through to resolution. I designed this interface working alongside product and engineering to solve that by centralizing all issues, notes, and follow-ups into one structured system. The goal was to make accountability visible and actionable rather than passive. By allowing users to assign, track, and update items, we've created a clear loop between associate managers and leadership. To manage this volume of data, I built a robust filter system letting users toggle between notes received today, 7 days ago, or 30 days ago, alongside a dedicated My Notes tab for personal task management. This transformed the audit process from a passive documentation into a full operational lifecycle, identifying, assigning, resolving, and verifying. It gives leadership a visibility into recurring patterns across stores, ensuring that store walks don't just identify isolated problems, but drive continuous improvement across our entire operation. In closing, it has been an absolute pleasure and privilege to contribute to the Kroger organization. This system connected 3 stages of store execution: understanding store health, executing structured walks, and ensuring follow-up through on issues. More importantly, it transformed a previously paper-based inconsistent process into a unified digital workflow used by store managers and leadership across locations. By replacing manual checklists and fragmented reporting, the Store Walk application improved standardization, reduced operational inefficiencies, and created real-time visibility into store performance. At scale, this shift helped eliminate significant administrative overhead and contributed to millions in potential cost saving through faster issue resolution, reduced rework, and improved store compliance. For leadership, it also unlocks something critical: consistent data-driven insight into store execution across the entire organization. This project demonstrates my ability to design enterprise systems that drive measurable business impact while improving day-to-day usability for frontline teams. Thank you for watching.